Goes right through it. I don't know if you get the idea here. Box, and it folds to store away. That is one of the best things that, besides that it's rechargeable and on a battery, that we thought about this was our son had his here for storage for a while he was in an apartment looking for a home. And so it was stored here and it took up very little room. It was so nice. It just folded up, stored out of the way. So that was a very big decision. This is the bag. It's nicely packaged. These are around each wheel. So it looks like it's just in its folded up storage position. And the batteries came in box here, charger, and one large battery. So this little slot here, there's another one on that side. You just click these up together, and then this raises on both sides. And then this just rolls back up, and voila. And in order to do the same thing, fold it up for storage, once again, it does the same thing. And then you could fold it up this way. So you have a space that's only this big. Here's what is the lawnmower sitting upright. Here's our basket, which we might use on our first mow because our grass is kind of long. But on the most part, we will use the mulcher. And I like the idea it has headlights, which I like to mow in the early evening. And sometimes I've been pushing it where it gets a little too dark. And that's going to be a nice little additive. Plus, it is so quiet. Nobody's going to be bothered by me mowing because it doesn't have that mower. So it'll be nice and quiet. So it doesn't matter how late I mow into the evening. And another nice thing to it is it has a push start button. So I will be able to push this button and it will automatically start for me instead of doing all of that pulling that I needed to do with the old mower and kill my arm and sometimes my back. Sometimes I'd actually have to come out and have my husband start my mower for me because of my arm wasn't having a good day. So I would mow, but I needed him to start my mower. Not anymore because this just will go with a push of a button. And you can see that this will make it go slower or faster in its drive. Some of the gears, I like the angle. Instead of this being straight across, this is nice that it's, see how it's angled down instead of straight? And it's very comfortable. This is a nice comfy grip. It's not soft, but it does have a rubbery grip on it. And we have it plugged in. So it is charging. You can see it's charging over here. It lets us know how much it has to where it needs to be charged. And we are green blinking, so we're not solid yet, but we're working on it and we're nice and close. But it does make a little bit of a humming sound. Well, not really humming, it's more the air. It's an airflow. It is finished charging. Two things. One is when it is done charging, this does go solid. And two, it shuts off. So you can hear it is no longer blowing air, so that once you are charged, you don't have to worry about it overcharging. It just automatically stops charging and pushing energy or a charge to it. So you don't have to worry about charging it too long and ruining the battery. The battery does not have a memory, so it's not going to bother the battery if I don't drain it prior to charging it. I can have it halfway charged and charge it to go full, and it won't harm the battery. Or if I leave it in the cradle and it's already charged, it's not going to hinder or hurt the battery because it's sitting there for too long. But we are charged and I'm ready to go. We're going to put the battery in. It slides up and the battery slides in, and you can see where it's got the prong, and that, or this has the prongs and this has the female in it. Male to female, you just snap that in there. You could hear it click, and then it has a nice little safety key, and that just plugs into here. And I am ready to rock and roll. I'm full. Just snap that back up. And then we pull these down. The levers are, this makes it go forward, or this makes the blades go. This makes it go forward. So that's the self-propel. In order to start, we press this first, and then I pull on the green knob. And then it just starts, and then this is my propel forward. And then you have a speed to go slower or faster. If I'm in this area here, I'm definitely going to turn that down. But if I'm looking across the yard, I will turn that up a little. See how high that grass is? It's over